Okay guys, today I'm going to talk about this small tripod. Sorry about that. So today I'm going to talk about the small tripod. It's called Ultimax tripod. This is very good price. You can believe it. This is only $5, and this is very useful. So you can use it for the my Zoom H4 Pro, this one, and also you can use it with my Canon M50. So this is just brand new. I didn't use it yet. It's brand new, and this is also brand new. So I use this one for both of them. So I'm gonna show you guys the ones I put onto my Zoom H4, and as well as my Canon. So this is how it looks like after you put on the tripod. See, so you can just put on the table and leave like that. That's it. It's very convenient. Okay, right now I put my tripod with my Canon camera. So this is how it looks like. So once you put on the tripod, so you see it's very portable, small, and very light. And let me talk a little bit about my Canon M50. And the benefit of M50 is the screen. Actually, I have told before, you can turn around the screen, and the second thing is on the top you can put the mics, extra mics, or lightings and monitors like that. You can put here. That's it. Thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe and put your thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.